in the first inning.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something that I've wanted to do for quite a while. Last year I installed the ATS Brembo, what would you call it? Retrofit, I guess. These front brakes are off of the Cadillac ATS, and there's a really nice bracket that you can buy. It's called ctsvswap.com, I think. It's a bracket and you need 2012 STI front rotors. It's an awesome kit. Regardless, I'll show you all the stuff. I'll show you the bracket and everything like that, and I'll leave a link down in the description where you can find it. We're gonna be respraying the brakes on the FRS today. I'm sure you can see from the thumbnail the color already. We are gonna be going gold. The only reason I'm going gold with these, I posted a poll on Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, I'll put it right here. I posted a poll on Instagram and I was choosing between yellow, red, and gold. Red I feel is overdone just because you can buy these cars with red Brembos on them. Yellow, I'm saving for a different car down the road. This is not the color of car, nor the style I'm going for to put a yellow caliper on this car. So that leaves me to gold. In the work wheels that I have, they're 3-piece work wheels, the hardware and the center cap is gold. I had gold brakes on the car a long time ago, and they honestly look so good. But yeah, so today we're gonna be respraying these. So as you saw in the intro, we went to Canadian Tire, picked up some VHT. This is their caliper paint. This is the color gold here. I use the silver from VHT to spray these, and they turned out perfect. So I'm gonna use the VHT, and this I've never used before. This is a perfect match clear coat. I don't know, I hope it's good. Normally I would use like a 2K where you like press the bottom in and it adds the stuff that mixes into it. But that has no shelf life, so I can't put that in the shelf and use it another time. So today we're gonna be using this. I hope it holds up to the heat of the brakes. It shouldn't be really an issue. I don't think they get that hot, but it's not like I tracked the car or anything like that. Anyways, we're gonna be using the gold and the clear. We won't need to prime them or anything like that because they already have paint on them, just a scuff. And that's why we have the Scotch-Brite pad. Also grabbed 2 new Brembo decals. These are gloss black. I'm not sure if you can see them there. But yeah, let's get right to it. I gotta jack the back end of the car up. As you guys saw in the last video, we only had the front jacked up, so I'm gonna jack the rear up, get those wheels off, because we're gonna be spraying the rears as well, obviously. Still the stock brakes on the rear. They upgraded pads and rotors, but stock calipers in the rear. Anyways, let's get right to it. Guys, please leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys want to see on the channel. The car is in the garage, which sucks, I know, but tell me if you like what you guys want to see. Whether it be an install of some certain part, or a cleaning of something, or a respray of something, anything like that. Please leave me a comment. And also, if you have any criticism of these videos at all, I want to get better. I want to make better content for you guys. So please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want, and anything I can do better to make these videos more entertaining to you guys. Yeah, leave me a funny comment, leave me something, I don't know. I'll respond to the comments. All right guys, so we're gonna start off and we're gonna crack these 2 rear bolts off of here. This is gonna release the whole entire brake assembly. A little update here. All of the parts are off. Next up, we're gonna be cleaning, degreasing, everything on these, getting them nice and clean, masking, scuffing with a Scotch-Brite pad, and then we can get to painting. All right, guys, been a little while now. This Brembo logo that was on here before was kind of causing me a little bit more issues than I was thinking. Totally removed the clear coat off there. So I'm just trying to sand it to make it flat because it shouldn't be an issue to spray over, but yeah, it's definitely being a little bit more of a pain in the ass than I was wanting. All right, guys, this is pretty jank, but got everything hanging here. A lot of you probably put down in the comments, oh, tape these. These are gonna be replaced, the seals on here, so I'm not going to mask those, but the actual Brembo fronts are done. Next, I'm just gonna run one more time over these with prep spray to get any last gunk off of them, and then hope for the best while we spray. I hope I have them cleaned enough. I'm not as happy as I could be with how clean they are, but everything's like etched in with the brake fluid, so I can't get them out. But hopefully they are clean enough. Guys, this color is unbelievable. It looks so good. Everything's laying down really nicely. And I still have a little bit left to go through and maybe do a light third coat, but I flipped this 2x4 around. These look unbelievable. I'm so excited. Guys, I know a lot of you commented and voted in the polls on Instagram about this color. And honestly, I wasn't sure about gold, but this is so sick. This color is unbelievable. Shout out to VHT. This color is so hard. It looks so good. It is going to pop against the black wheels with the gold emblem. Oh man, with the black Brembo stickers up front, this is going to look insane. All right, finishing touches on these. All of the base color is laid down. They look great. I'm gonna let these dry overnight. I'm gonna pick this video back up in the morning, so I will see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? Next day. These things turned out so good. Coverage is perfect. Let's get right to it. We're gonna slap some Brembo decals on here and then lay down some clear coat.
Depot on the beat.
So just finished up putting those decals on. These are turning out so good. So everything is done, prepped, ready. Let's let's lay down some clear coat. This is the final step, so light coat on the first one. I'm gonna hose down 2 more coats. Let's get started. Alright guys, all the clears laid down. These look unbelievable. They are dry now, so I'm gonna throw one of these on just so I can get the thumbnail photo and everything like that, because these look sick. All right, guys, just got this this first one on here, and this looks so good. I think I'm gonna throw a wheel on just so I can see what it looks like. I'm pretty hyped for this. Guys, this looks so good. It looks so subtle, but guys, check this out. Oh, it looks so good.